2003 BMW X5. Very common problem are the brake lights will not work. The one on the left side works, one in the middle works, this one here does not. First what you need to do, take the light assembly out by removing, you take on this passenger side, you will take this cover off, just pull this tab. Next is to disconnect this electrical connector here. Just pull the tab down, pull it out. Then you're gonna have a 3/8mm nut. There's one here, there's one here, and there's gonna be one here as well, but this one is missing. Once you get that removed, you simply take the take the light assembly and then just pull straight out. It'll come out. I got the assembly out. So what happens here? And this is the turn light, and this metal part here is basically like a circuit board, and all these lights are connected. You got the this is the turn light, and then the brake lights at the bottom right here, and this light bulb connector has these two pins here, and when they locked in, they will make a contact with the circuit board. And over time what happens, the circuit board is basically going to burn out. You see this little black mark, and that's where these connectors, these pins, supposed to lock in and make a contact. So what I do actually, I have done this before. I would clean this up. Got all this cut off. You can see it's pretty much actually burned all the way through. Let me see if you see that there's a hole in it. And so what we're going to do, we're just going to use a solder gun. I'm going to get this cleaned up and put some solder in and fill this hole, and I'm going to also build up the solder on this end as well to make a good contact, and it'll work. I know you guys always make fun of me and my solder gun, but it's okay. So again, I'm just going to get this cleaned up. Okay, that's all you need to do. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Okay. As I said, the whole point is just to, if you have a hole, you have to take care of that. But since in this end was okay, but I would like to actually, I'm just going to do every single point of connection here on all of the lights, and this will work. So I'll give you a little closer shot what it looks like, and I'm going to finish it, and it will work. So what you need to do also, just take your your connector, put it in, and see where these tabs are supposed to lock in. And so now you will know where to. You can see now it's nice and snug. This is kind of like a spring-loaded, and once you build this solder, it gives a good solid connection, and it's not going to cause any more problems. This is the brake light, and I said before, you can actually see these little black marks here. That's where this is almost burned all the way through. Okay, so I'm just gonna scrape this off. Alright, will do. This should be okay. A little close-up shot. So this part was almost burned all the way through. So now when you build up solder on it, and then you can see how this tab actually nicely locks in. And it has a good solid connection. This will not move anymore. So we can, and it's pretty solid now. Did the same thing on this one. This one was okay, but as I said, I just went to do it again anyway, just to prevent this from happening. And now when you lock it, you can see here, here, and here, give us a good connection. This is for the brake light. That looks good as well. I mean for turn light. And I just need to put the light bulb in and put it back on the car. Alright, it's back in. Got everything connected. You can see this owner, I mean, they have light bulbs, you know, spare light bulbs all the time, but that's not, you know, that works for a while, but then once that circuit board is burnt out, it's not going to help. So you have to fix it up. Okay. Brake light works, side light works, turn light works, everything's good. Alright, this really works. I've done this so many times, and it's proven to work. So it's not that hard to do. Alright guys, thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.